Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. My name's Lee. Thank you for tuning in. And today I've got something a bit different. I've got something for you creators out there, for my creator friends, and for any new creators watching this video. Now I found a tool, or it's actually a website, and it's free. There is a paid version, but it's free. And it's a background remover, but it does it for you. You don't have to cut nothing out. It literally does it for you. It's the easiest thing I've ever done. It does a bloody good job of detecting what part of the picture exactly you want cut out. And I've not had it fail me once. It always cuts out the specific part I want. And it's just perfect. It's really good. So yeah, I thought I'd make a video today, guys, just to share it with you and stuff. And we'll get straight into it. No more talking. Let's get it. Right, so I'm already on it. So we'll go to Google and we'll start again. So you're going to want to type in remove background dot, no, that's /.bg, right? Top one. No, it's this one, remove.bg. So this is what you're going to get, guys. It's a free site. You can use the paid site. The free site basically downloads in a bit less quality, but then if you are using it for thumbnails, it won't matter because they're quite small, so it'll kind of level itself out. But obviously you want to pay for it if you want to use it for bigger, you know, for art or whatever, graphic design, you know. But basically, I'm going to show you how you do this, right? Oh, go away. Right, I'm going to show you how you do this, guys. So we'll take this screenshot. So this is my new black M4 tracer weapon in Warzone. And boom, I didn't press a single thing. I uploaded the image and it did it for me. You click download, it downloads in this quality. Like I said, if you want to get the paid version, it downloads in 1080p. But boom, download that, guys, slide it onto our desktop. We have a full PNG cut out gun, ready to with no background, ready to slide onto one of our thumbnails, right? And just to prove it's not just gaming for gaming reasons, obviously, I'll show you how much of a good job it does of my picture. I've set up a picture with me, and you just see it. It'll do it automatically now, guys. There's me, bang. Background's gone. I can download this, and, you know, this surprised me of how good a job it did, specifically on this picture because of my top. Look at the way it's cut around my top. Like, it's literally... Like, I've still got pieces of bloody hair sticking up. It's cut around pieces of hair sticking up on top of my head. So that's how much of it, I mean, you can see that is still good quality. Even that's the free version. Imagine that dumbed down into a little thumbnail. I mean, I'm sorry, you're getting banged for your $0 here because it's free. So, yeah, I hope you'll find use of this, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all for the next one, my friends. Peace.